Ever spend a weekend hunched over spreadsheets, wrestling with employee hours and tax calculations? As a restaurant owner, payroll can feel like the monster under the bed, a looming source of stress and potential mistakes. But what if your trusty POS system, TouchBistro, could be your payroll knight in shining armor? Can it handle the heavy lifting? Or is it better suited as a trusty sidekick in your payroll battle? Let's dive deep into the world of TouchBistro and payroll, unpacking its features and limitations to see if it's the hero your restaurant needs. Payroll powerhouse or basic bookkeeper? TouchBistro boasts a robust staff management system. It tracks employee hours, stores wage information, and even generates basic reports on labor costs. This built-in functionality is a lifesaver for small restaurants, simplifying tasks like calculating hourly wages and overtime. Imagine the ease. Swipe in, swipe out, TouchBistro captures those hours. No more relying on paper timesheets or memory. Plus, with staff profiles storing wage rates, payroll calculations become a breeze. Tax time tamer, kind of tax season. Just the mention sends shivers down many a restaurant owner's spine. TouchBistro helps by keeping employee tax information organized, but it doesn't handle the actual tax filing or remittance. Think of it as a meticulous note-taker, keeping track of deductions and taxable income. However, when it comes to crunching the numbers and sending those tax payments, you'll need to partner with a dedicated payroll service. Integration is king. Here's where TouchBistro truly shines. Integrations. The system seamlessly connects with several popular payroll providers. This allows you to leverage TouchBistro's employee data and timesheets within a dedicated payroll software. The magic lies in the seamless flow of information. Employee hours from TouchBistro automatically feed into the payroll software, eliminating the need for manual data entry and reducing errors. This is a game changer for streamlining payroll processes and saving you precious time and sanity during tax season. Beyond the basics, where TouchBistro falls short. While TouchBistro offers a solid foundation, it can't handle everything on its own. Here's where its limitations come into play. Limited functionality. TouchBistro doesn't calculate deductions or taxes, nor does it generate pay stubs or handle direct deposits. These crucial tasks fall on a separate payroll service. Compliance challenges. Keeping up with ever-changing tax regulations can be a nightmare. TouchBistro doesn't offer built-in compliance features, leaving that responsibility to you or your chosen payroll service. Scaling up. As your restaurant grows, TouchBistro's payroll capabilities might not keep up. More complex payroll needs, such as multiple pay rates, benefits administration, or tip management, might require a more robust payroll solution. So, can TouchBistro handle your restaurant's payroll needs single-handedly? The answer depends on your specific situation. For small restaurants with straightforward payroll structures, TouchBistro's built-in features can be a lifesaver, especially when combined with basic manual calculations. However, for restaurants with more complex payroll needs or those seeking a fully automated solution, TouchBistro excels as a data gathering and integration point, working hand-in-hand with a dedicated payroll service, finding your payroll perfect match. Ultimately, the best solution lies in understanding your specific needs and finding the right partner. Consider the size and complexity of your restaurant, your budget, and your comfort level with technology. If you crave a simple solution for basic payroll needs, TouchBistro's built-in features might suffice. But if you're looking for a comprehensive, automated payroll experience, consider combining TouchBistro with a dedicated payroll service. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Explore your options, leverage TouchBistro's strengths, and find the perfect payroll partner to slay that payroll monster and bring peace of mind to your restaurant operations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.